Most people who want to start a YouTube channel in 2026 are going to pick the wrong niche. Not because they are lazy, not because they don't work hard, but because nobody sat them down and told them the truth about how niche selection actually work. They pick something they love, something like gaming, lifestyle, and post for 2 months and get 50 views per video and quit. And the worst part, it wasn't their fault. They just didn't have the right information. That is what this video is all about. The right information. I'm going to show you the 5 best YouTube niches you can start right now in 2026, even if you have 0 experience, 0 subscribers, and 0 budget. And I'm not pulling this from a thin air. Every single niche I'm about to show you guys in this video is backed by real data from YouTube itself. So stay with me through this video, because niche number 5 is the one most beginners completely overlook and is one of the easiest to start with. Now let's get into it. My name is Uche Joseph, and this channel is focused on helping you guys start and grow your YouTube channel the right way. I have researched what's actually working on YouTube right now, and I will break it down so you can use it, whether you are a completely beginner or you have been stuck for a while on YouTube here. This video is for you. Now, one thing you need to understand before we look into any of these niches is that there are 3 things that make a niche actually worth starting. One is people actively searching for the content. 2 is advertisers are willing to pay good money for it. 3, can you stay consistently with it longer than 3 months? You need all these 3 factors, not just 1 or 2, all of the 3. And keep that in mind as we go through these 5 best YouTube niches to start in 2026. So niche number 1, personal finance and investing. This is the single highest paying niche on YouTube right now. Verified data from 2026 put the CPM, that is cost per mile, the amount advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views, between $15 and $45 for a personal finance content. To put that in context, a gaming channel with the same amount of views earns around $3 CPM, and that is 10 times differences in their earnings. Now, why does the finance niche pay so much money? It is because the advertisers in this space, in this niche, like banks, investment app, credit card companies, fintech companies, are competing aggressively for your viewers' attention. And a single customer conversion from these viewers worth hundreds of dollars. They pay more to reach people watching your content. Now, here is what I want you to understand clearly. You do not need to be a financial expert to start a finance channel. Some of these fastest growing finance channels right now are run by regular people like you, making videos documenting their own journey, like how I was able to pay off my debt, saving my first $100,000, figuring investing from scratch. The channel that says I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to figure it out and show you everything about their journey, grow faster than the one pretending to have all the answers. If money is something you think about, you can start with this niche. Niche number 2, AI tools and tutorials. This is the fastest growing niche on YouTube in 2026. Not by a little percentage, by a lot of percentage. We are talking about 340% growth in 1 year. And that means the number of people searching for AI content on YouTube has more than tripled in 1 year. And the competition is still remarkably low relative to the demand. And here is why this niche is perfect for beginners. Every single week, new AI tools are launched. Every time one launches, millions of people go to YouTube to figure out how to use that kind of AI tools. And you don't need to be a programmer, you don't need to be a computer science, you don't need to have a computer science degree. You just need to know the tools better than your viewers, and then explain it clearly and simply. Think about it this way: how many times have you figured out a new app or a new AI tools before your friends? You could have made a video about that, and that is how you can grow with this channel. The CPM range for AI content sits between $8 and $20, and it increases as more AI companies start advertising heavily on YouTube in 2026. And if you are someone who enjoys trying new things, new technologies, this niche is open and is yours to take right now. Niche number 3, business and entrepreneur tips. This is the third highest paying CPM on YouTube right now, and the CPM ranges from $14 to $35 per 1,000 views, depending on your YouTube subscribers or sub niches. This covers everything from starting a business, building a side hustle, making money online, freelancing, passive income, scaling a small business, and all of it all. And the reason this niche pays so well is the same reason finance does. The advertisers here are business owners, software companies, online course platform, and they are spending serious money to reach the right audience, the ambitious people watching your videos. And the audience is enormous right now. There is no shortage of people who want to earn more money or build something of their own on YouTube right now. So you have plenty viewers. Here is the thing about this niche that most people miss. You don't have to be successful entrepreneur to talk about business. Some of the best performing channels in this niche document the attempt, not the success, the attempt. For example, I'm trying to start a business with no money. It's a video people will click on every single time. Your journey is your content. Niche number 4, educational content niche. So I know what you are thinking right now. Is this not too broad? And you are right to ask that. The key point here is specificity. Education as a niche earn around $10 CPM on average. That might sound lower than finance or business, but here is what makes it more powerful. Educational channel have the highest watch time in video on the entire YouTube platform. People watching to learn stay longer, and the longer they stay, the more the algorithm pushes your video to more people, to more audience. And this is very, very important. You cannot just make how-to videos about random things. You need a specific niche. Let me show you what I mean with a real example. If you just say, I make cooking videos, nobody knows who is that for. But the moment you say, I show Nigerian students how to make a quick meal under 20 minutes, suddenly you are specific. The person is nodding their head. That is literally me, because you know that this content is for me. So niche number 5, this one most people overlook, and it is a digital marketing. This includes social media strategy, content creation advice, YouTube SEO, email marketing, brand building, and all of it falls under digital marketing, and it consistently sits at $12 to $18 CPM on YouTube. But here is what makes this niche special for a beginner in 2026. The world has shifted. Every small business right now, every freelancer, every creator is now trying to figure out how to market themselves online, and the demand for digital marketing knowledge has never been higher than now, and yet most channels teaching it are either too advanced or too expensive, or made for people in the US or UK, and completely ignoring markets like Nigeria or Africa. And that gap is an opportunity. If you are someone who enjoys social media, content creation, understand content even at a basic level, and can explain things simply and clearly, there is an audience waiting for you right now, and that nobody else is serving. You don't have to be the most advanced marketer or digital marketer in the world. You just have to be one step ahead of the person watching your video. Now the bonus tip: before you go and pick one of these niche, I want you to leave with one thing here. The best niche is not the one with the highest CPM. The best niche is the one you will still be making videos in more than 3 months. When you have 200 subscribers, your viewers are not exploding, and your best friend is the only one watching you consistently. Because passion alone won't grow your channel. The formula is simple. Find a niche from this list that you either already know something about, or that you are genuinely in it enough to learn. Then show up every day, every week. That is it, and that is the strategy. So right now, drop on the comment section which of this niche are you going to start, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I urge you to subscribe.